So in this video, we're going to move up to solving two-step inequalities. Again, just like our one steps, we are going to follow the exact same rules that we do when solving an equation. So because it's a two-step, we need to make sure that we are doing order of operations in reverse. Okay, so if addition is the last thing I do, it's the first thing I undo, and then we'll take care of any multiplication or division. And then it will be use the inverse, balance the scale, do the math. So looking at this two-step, okay, we're also going to have to think about if and when we flip the sign. Okay, I have to get rid of addition first using subtraction. I am not even going to think of flipping the sign here because we don't do that until the multiplication or division step. I'm just subtracting. We never flip the sign when adding or subtracting. So that will zero out. I'm left with 3x. I'm going to drop the sign I have because it's not something I even consider right now. And negative 10 minus 5 is negative 15. Now I have to undo my multiplication. So this is the step when you're going to ask yourself, do I flip the sign? Okay. So to get rid of multiplication, I'm going to use division, and I'm going to divide both sides by 3. Now, this is a negative, yes, but the number I'm dividing both sides by is not a negative. So that's going to cancel and leave me x. I am not going to flip the sign because this number is positive. So I'm going to keep it as greater than negative 15 divided by negative 3 is negative 5. So my final answer is as long x is greater than negative 5. So as long as x is bigger than negative 5, I can plug in that number, multiply by 3, add 5, and get a number that is greater than negative 10. So let's do this one. Again, it's going to be order of operations in reverse. I'm going to get rid of subtraction with addition. Not even thinking of flipping the sign at this point because we don't do that with addition and subtraction. So that zeroes out. I'm left with x over negative 2. Keep the sign I have. 12 plus 3 is 15. Now, this is the step where I think about, do I do it? Okay, so in order to get rid of division, I'm going to multiply. So I'm going to multiply by negative 2 and balance the scale. Because I am multiplying both sides by a negative, I know that I am going to flip my sign. Those will cancel. I'm left with x. 15 times negative 2 is negative 30. So, same exact steps as solving a two-step equation. Order of operations in reverse, use the inverse, balance the scale, do the math. When getting rid of multiplication and division, that's when you're going to ask yourself, do I flip the sign or not? Sometimes you won't, sometimes you will. You just have to stop and think about that.